Singular and plural noun. What is a singular noun? A singular noun means it mentions only one person, one place, one thing or one animal. For example, boy, girl, tree, dog and book. Plural noun. What is a plural noun? It mentions more than one person, place, thing or animal. For example, boys, girls, trees, dogs and books. We have nearly 6 rules to form singular into plural. We'll see one by one. The first rule, just adding s. In most of the nouns, we add just s to make it into a plural form. For example, pen, pens, bag, bags. Pen is a singular noun. It mentions only one pen. If we add s with that, it will be changed into plural form. Rule number 2, adding es. We have to add es with the words which are ending with s, x, ch, sh and then o. For example, bus. It is ending with the letter s. So we have to add es to make it as a plural form. Box. It is ending with x. We have to add es to make it into plural form. Bench. In this word, it is ending with ch. So we have to add es to make it as a plural form. Mango. In this word, it is ending with o. So we have to add es to make it as a plural form. Rule number 3. If a word ends with y and a consonant comes before that y, we have to change this y into ies. So we have to remove that y and we have to add ies to make it as a plural form. For example, baby, babies. The baby word ends with letter y and there is a consonant before that y. So we have to remove that y and add ies to make it as a plural form. Same with candy to candies, story and stories. Okay, if a vowel comes before a y, we just add s to make it into plural form. For example, boy, boys. It is ending with y but it has a vowel before that y. So we just adding s to make it as a plural form. Similarly, toy, toys. Rule number 4. If a word ends with f or fe, we have to add ves to make it into plural form. For example, leaf. This word is ending with letter f. So we remove that f and we add ves to make it as plural. Similarly, the wolf becomes wolves. Knife. It is ending with fe. So we remove that f and e and add ves to make it as a plural form. Similarly, the wife becomes wives. Rule number 5. Irregular plural. Some nouns, it will be completely changed to make it as a plural form. For example, child, children, man, men, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse and then mice. Rule number 6. Nouns will not change at all to make it into plural form. For example, deer, deer. The same word only used in singular and plural. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Aircraft, aircraft. Let us try some examples. The child is playing with a toy. So here the child is a singular noun. Children is the plural noun for this child. The word toy also noun here. There is a vowel before the letter y. So we have to add just s to make it into plural form. The boy picked up a leaf. The word boy is similar to the word toy. So we have to just add s to make it into plural form. Here the word leaf, it is ending with letter f. So we have to remove that f and add ves to make it as a plural form. The fox ran quickly. We have to add es here because it is ending with x. There is a book on the table. The word book is a singular noun. We just add s to make it as a plural form. Table is also a singular noun. We just add s to make it as a plural form. So remember, singular means it mention only one. Plural means it mention more than one. Now it's your turn. Change these singular nouns into plural and write it in the comments. Meet you in next video. Thank you.